All right, so you guys asked and I'm going to deliver. On my last video, I talked about the 3 most underrated, untapped niches that are working on YouTube right now. One of them was AI, but honestly, a lot of AI niches are super oversaturated and just not really that lucrative. But this one is an emerging one that literally no one has tapped into and has incredible potential to make $5,000, $10,000 a month online with a faceless channel. So I'm going to break down the entire Flywheel, show you exactly how it works, all the details, so you guys can literally just copy and paste my exact system, my scripts and everything. And you guys can start printing these videos on demand, get your channel monetized, and get it to the point where it's making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. But before I do, I want to explain who the heck I even am. So first of all, my name is Victor. I run many faceless YouTube automation channels. I've been doing this for the last 5 years plus, which is crazy. And I've gotten channels to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month, and also work with over 1,000 students with an incredibly high success rate of getting students to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and some even doing it same as me, $40,000, $50,000 a month, which is incredible. And so I definitely know what I'm doing in terms of having the knowledge, having the intellectual property, and having the systems to recreate this process over and over again. All right. So I'm not going to edify myself too much. I have a coaching program with hundreds of students. We have students that are doing incredible results, like literally students making like fuck you money. And it's just absolutely amazing. This guy did 20K for the month, and you can even see his entire trajectory of the last 3 months. He went from like 27K, 20K, 19K. Like it's absolutely mental, the kind of results that are coming out of the program. I also do host a free program. So any of the links, any of the resources you guys are seeing on this video, if you join this free community, which we just started, it's already at 800 members, it's going to have all the links for everything. I have a course with all the knowledge, and my entire like free course is massive course with all my tools, resources, kits, everything. Also, I go live once a week. So I'm going to be posting this today. You guys can even join my free call tomorrow. I literally go live and answer all your questions. So I'm not going to waste any more time, guys. Let's get into it. All right. The niche is called POV. All right. This is kind of the POV style. I'm going to play a snippet for you. That's one style. It's another style. That's another style. And these AI videos have been doing incredibly well. Like it's actually mental, the kind of views that you can get on these channels. Like it's crazy. And YouTube is monetizing these and they're just going mental. Like it's such a great opportunity to get on and capitalize on these. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. The first thing you want to do is copy and paste this ChatGPT script. So go to ChatGPT, paste this in, and let it think. All right, so just wrapped up. And basically what I've asked it to do is create 30 different scenes, because we don't want to create a short, we want to do a full length video, at least 2-3 minutes long. And by doing 30 scenes, you're going to get a lot of different variations where you can actually just alternate different clips and do an entire storyline. I want it to really feel like it's a POV, like a point of view, day in the life of whatever you choose, whether it's a military soldier, a royal family member from the medieval times, whatever you want it to be. It only extends as far as your creativity goes. So we basically have all these prompts. All you have to do is just go one by one, copy and paste them into a image generation software. So my favorite one is PicLumen for 2 reasons. Number one, the output is incredibly quick, very high quality, and it's free. So you just have to go here, paste this, and press run. But you can also go here to aspect ratio, select 16:9 so that it actually is the same format for YouTube. And you can go images per batch and press 2. Now, I've actually gone ahead and done every single image for you guys so that you can just see exactly what it would look like, the entire timeline. And what you have to do is when it's done, you just pick one that you like the most, because it's going to generate 2. And if you don't like any, of course, you could just regenerate and have more and more options until you find one that you like. But typically one of the 2 will actually turn out really good. So you can see the one of the 2 right here. That's all it is. So we just have to pick one that we like. And so I quite like this one. Let's go ahead and download it. So you just want to go one by one, download them all. And then when it's downloaded, you want to go into Pick First. Now, this is going to be a paid software, but it's actually cheaper than Kling, and the quality is arguably the same and sometimes even better. But it's actually got a lot more functionality than Kling, because you can even add sound effects. You can add speech, restyle it, extend it, character consistency. There's a lot of different really cool stuff here. But all you have to do is just come in here, go here to download, and then upload the actual video. Now, what you also want to do is paste in the exact script that you use to generate the actual image itself. Now, once this is loaded up, you literally just have to press create, and that's it. Now, I'm not even kidding. That took like 15 seconds. Like that's the entire video. It is super good. Like the quality is amazing. It's engaging and has exactly the kind of features that we wanted to have with everything that we mentioned here. Now, what's really cool is that you can also put this into the sound feature. What you have to do is actually just download this and then just head over to sound, upload the video, paste the same prompt, and press create. Boom, and there you have it. You literally have the entire image to video with sound within literally like a minute. And so that's what's really cool is think about it. It took me 1 minute to do this. You have 30 clips. It'll literally take you 30 minutes to do the entire thing from beginning to scratch. It's absolutely mental how quick, how efficient, and how much you can do within like 30 minutes to an hour. Maybe the first time will take a little bit longer to sort this whole thing out, but the whole thing should literally take you about an hour at first and up to half an hour after. How many videos do you guys think you could pump out in 1 hour? Or let's say 3-4 hours a day. If you actually did this full time and took it seriously, realizing that there's channels that are making literally 10 to 20 to $30,000 a month. How difficult is it to make 10 to 20 to $30,000 a month with a traditional business, with a career path that you would go for? How many years of schooling would it take you to maybe even get to that point? There's so many unprecedented opportunities right now on the internet with YouTube, with content creation that are just at your disposal. Like I have a friend by the name of Daniel. He's doing $1 million a month and he's only like 17 years old. And so that in and of itself is such an incredible thing to know. Like many people might look at that and be very envious and whatever else. But if you really think about it, like that 17-year-old is not any more intelligent than you and I. They just took action. They saw an opportunity, they seized the opportunity. And that's the main difference between people who actually make money and people who don't. So that's my rant. I just wanted to share that with you. So basically, the whole flywheel here is repeating this exact process from video to video to video. So once you actually go in and you generate all the images, you just want to download them all, put them all in here, add sound, and then finally when it's done, you want to put it all into CapCut. That's the main flywheel. So I'm showing you guys here. The first thing is image generation, and then you can use the same software here to generate a video. And then if you want to add some music and sound effects, we do have some extra websites. So first of all, YouTube Studio is a fantastic one to do. So if you click this link, it'll take you straight to your studio. And then the second one is Pixabay. They also have a lot of different music, like it's all copyright free music. You can play it without getting any hit with copyright or anything like that. And also they have another thing for sound effects. So if you want to add some additional sound effects, if you just can't make it work with the AI, you can even come here and search up any sound effect you want. All right, so first you want to download the music for the video. And again, like I recommended, Pixabay is probably the best. I just went and typed in medieval, just given the niche that I chose here. And the first one sounds pretty damn good as is. So you can just literally go in, press download, and then from here, you can just literally upload it straight into Cap. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. All right, so now that you guys are here, the simple steps are just to take all the files that you downloaded, drag them into CapCut, and then just place them one by one in chronological order. And of course, to add the music, just drag it and drop it next to all these files as well. And then once it's here, you can just drag it on the timeline underneath just like that. Now, all these videos that I actually downloaded already came with sound effects. But like I said, if you can't find one, you could just go to Pixabay and actually type in the specific scenes of whatever you're looking for. And then what you would do is just drag every single individual sound effect here and just drag it underneath the clip and match it up. That's all you have to do. It's very, very simple, but I think the AI does an incredible job. Now, what you guys can also do is head over to transitions, and adding a transition is definitely going to make it a lot more engaging. So as you can see here, adding these here, adding one of these here. All right, perfect. So now let's just give it a watch all the way from the beginning and see what it looks like. And you guys can even go into sound effects if you want to do something for like the transition. You could put like a swoosh and you could put it right here over the transition, and I would drop the volume a little bit and then you can see here what it looks like. And that just adds a beautiful effect to the whole thing. So there's so much that you guys can do with this, but the main point is that there's a massive opportunity to tap into this AI niche, to tap into this AI gold rush that's happening in front of us. And like I said, there's some people that are seizing that opportunity and some people that are watching videos on the sidelines, right? So if you're that person that's just going to watch this video, do absolutely nothing about it, then that is pretty much everything that needs to be said about you and the decisions that you make that lead to your success. So guys, you can do this on your own. I trust everybody to do this, take action, make a bunch of money. But realistically, it will take some time. You will have to face some pain and discomfort and just a lot of uneasiness, not knowing exactly how to set up the channel correctly, pick the right topics to optimize it. So if you guys don't want to do that on your own, then what you can do is actually click the link in the description. First of all, I have a link there to join my free community. I highly suggest you guys all join. Free call, free course. Everything is there. There's no point not to join if you're interested in doing this seriously. But second of all, if you guys want to skip all that and get mentored by me personally, underneath I will have another link to book a call with me. Yes, it is a paid mentorship, and yes, it is a 4-figure investment, but you are guaranteed that at this end of the 6 months of working with us, you will have a 4-figure income coming out of it. So yes, when working with someone who has done this hundreds of times over, who has an incredibly high success rate, there will be a price to be paid. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, if you don't want to go through all of these hiccups and bottlenecks that naturally will happen, and you want to have someone pave the path for you to show you the proven runway and actually guide you and hold your hand the entire process, then again, click the second link in the description of this, and then you can book a call straight with me, see if it makes sense to work together. I'll see you guys on the next video.